Beautiful. Hey everyone! Today we're going to take a look at the Post Stardust eyeliner here on Veronica, done by the Master Artist K. Beautiful work. Veronica, was it painful?
No, it really wasn't. She had put numbing on my eyes and it really helped with the pain. It didn't feel much at all. Then when it was wearing off, then she just put more. So it wasn't that bad, actually.
Would you recommend for people who would want more than just a solid straight line on their eyes?
I would highly recommend it because I love mine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How long do you remember the process was?
It was about a couple of hours.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
And then how did you feel the night of?
Fine. I did everything that I normally do and it was a good night.
Wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
So right now she has no makeup on, a little bit of mascara, but so as far as the liner goes, that is just all Stardust. So you can see that the liner is nice and thick right on the lash, and then the pixelation starts coming up. So it's kind of a dusting effect. Beautiful. And you do put makeup on, right, Veronica? Over it?
I do.
Yeah, but you don't have to.
I don't have to.
Like at night, and when you wake up,
Mm-hmm.
you already
On the
have it.
weekends.
Go to the grocery store, pumping gas.
Yeah.
Don't even have to worry about it.
No.
So the color stay pretty true black. It's really, really nice. And you can see the dust still right there. This is heel result. So that's what I can. So you see all of the dusting effect still on her. And then you see the lash line enhancement right there. One session. How many weeks ago was that?
About 2.
2 weeks?
Mm-hmm.
Very, very nice. I'm gonna open your eyes real quick so you can see it. See? It's beautiful. Some people think that it might be a little bit too intense at first, but however, the heel result is really nice. So it's almost like at home, she doesn't even need to put makeup on and just put and the eyes still looks gorgeous. So. And this will last between 2 to 4 years for the touch up. So for this result, we don't even need to have the touch up at all. With lash line enhancement and the stardusting effect.
So if any of you folks are interested in eyeline enhancement or Stardust, check us out. Make an appointment with one of our fabulous artists. We got a lot of talented artists here at the studio. Check us out on our website. See some pictures, give us a call, email us with any questions. Any last words you want to tell everybody, Veronica, about your Stardust eyeliner?
I love it, and I wished I would have gotten it sooner.
Awesome. Love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Bye. Bye, everyone.